Hi, my name is Brian Annell, and this is my video review for project number 2 for Visual Frameworks for the period of March 2012. The first thing that I did is while programming, I noticed that I constantly was having trouble trying to get my JavaScript to interact with my HTML in a result that I could see. The switch function that I used to toggle the controls, I must have spent an hour on it trying to get it to show up properly. Then, without changing anything, it just started working. Um, the things that I discovered that I thought would be easier were a lot of the functions that I wrote in JavaScript. Following along with the videos, it became really clear what was going on, and I thought that they'd be way more complicated than they ended up being. As far as CSS goes, there's a lot that I'd like to learn about CSS, but for the moment, it's sort of backwards to when I originally learned HTML, which was to put all of your styling and structure elements inside of the HTML page itself. The last bit is local storage. Local storage is not something that I'm particularly fond of because it sort of eliminates the benefit of a web page. So if you have a web application, then one of the advantages to it being a web application is that you can access it from anywhere. And ideally, if you were using that web application, you'd be able to have that information no matter where you logged in from. But using local storage sort of limits it to whatever device you logged in on or whatever browser you're particularly using to get into the application. That's pretty much it. Have a great rest of the day.